leave the seating bowl area and move undercover in the concourses.
Oh my God!
Because of the dangerous conditions, please leave the seating area and head under the concourse.
Oh my God! Look at I'm in a fucking movie! What the fuck is going on? You can't even see! Holy hell! That's rain, people, that's rain. Smile. Oh my God. No. No. Don't give up. Don't give up. In the trash can. No. Oh my God. I got it down, but barely. Look, I had to park one of the vehicles on the tarp.
I know, right?
That's the only way. Oh shit. This is the look, you can't even push that thing. Oh my God. It's actually hailing. Yeah, look. That's hail, folks. That's hail. Never ever seen anything like this before. Never.
At all?
Never. Not like, well, not in a baseball game.